Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hifimax. This is the dash cam video recorder when you're driving. Once have the accident, the video can be approved for your driving. This is the USB type. Connect the USB here. And today I want to show you how to connect it and how to install the apps. The first is to connect this side to the power for the DVR here. Okay, and the USB is connected to Android unit, Android USB. Okay, I have connected the Android USB, right? And please notice, when you want to save the video, you need to insert the TF card. There is a micro SD card here. This DVR, the video will save in the SD card you insert. It don't save the video in the Android unit. Okay, and this model it don't have battery. Now let me show you how to install the apps. After you connect the DVR, you go to ES File Explorer. You will see here, this one is the DVR camera. So we click it, and this one, DB Card DVR, install. Done. That way you will see the HD DVR here. Here you can see this is the DVR camera, like this. So after you insert the SD card here, it will say the video or pictures inside the SD card. Then will be fine. Setting. About. This is the version for the DVR. If you want to use the ADAS functions, you can download the newer version. But please notice, you need to connect the Android screen to internet. Now I connect the internet first. Okay, now I have connect the Wi-Fi here. My company's Wi-Fi. So now we go to this DVR apps to update the version. Track the version. You can see after you download the new version, it will allow to act the ADAS and fix some bugs here. Download. Okay, here, update. Done. That way, this will be the latest version. Okay, here, the ADAS will activate after download the new version. Here. Okay, here, the app version is the latest, this one. Setting here. Picture in picture, you can turn on. And this the ADAS. That's okay. You don't need You don't need to use this. Also okay to cancel it. If you like to learn more about ADAS functions, you can watch this video. This one. It's talking about details how to use the ADAS. Okay. One more thing is, because I have made a video talking about the DVR camera, and some friends made a review and asked me about the software for the DVR, because different DVR camera, they are different. They have a lot of different manufacturers. They don't use the same software. Each DVR is special for the software. So if you ask me special software, I cannot send you because I don't know who sell you the camera. I also don't have these softwares. But the DVR is here. I just for a test